3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the Blue Alliance, we see 2 notes fired at that blue speaker, one of them hitting its mark. Looks like Golden Gate Robotics on track. However, they missed picking up that second note. Red, meanwhile, shooting some into the speaker, 1 over, but still earning enough points to take the lead as we begin tally-up. And 95-84, that's Spartan squared for the Red Alliance, scoring in that red amp and immediately hitting that cooperation button. On blue, meanwhile, it is 66-62. They are scoring in the speaker. Golden Gate Robotics shooting well over the speaker. However, Falcon X already back across field for the Blue Alliance and coming back with a note, hoping to make up some of that scoring. On red, however, we're seeing a quick pace of notes fired into the speaker. Eagle Strike back with 1. There's scores. And Spartan squared approaching that red amp, getting that in place. Oh, and blue, Golden Gate Robotics just in time, getting a note in the amp. However, the cooperation bonus is not active in this match. And for the Red Alliance, we see all 3 of their robots over by their source, trying to get notes from the human players over there. And Eagle Strike are the first ones to make it back. That red speaker is amplified, so if they're able to make the shot, they will earn additional points. They're lining up, trying to get that note into place, but it looks like it might not have hit its mark this time. Now, though, Eagle Strike scores for red, and blue has an amplified speaker. About 5 seconds left on it. 59-24, picking up a note from midfield, trying to make it back to their speaker. Although switching gears and going for that amp. And we have about 12 points separating our alliances with 45 seconds in the match. It is red with the advantage for now. Eagle Strike on red, scoring this time in the amp, and immediately amplifying their speaker. It's like Eagle Strike, they have a note on board, lining up. Meanwhile, Falcon X scores for the Blue Alliance. Eagle Strike just in time, getting that note scored for red. And we are about to start endgame, as now we hit the final 20 seconds. It's like Golden Gate Robotics is not done with note scoring for blue just yet. Lining up, trying to score. And the prototypes grabbing onto that chain for red. 10 seconds left. It's like prototypes still trying to get a hold of it. 5 seconds left. Falcon X is parked for blue. 95-84 trying to get up in the air. And we'll see how our match finishes. By a score of 46-29.